Hi guys! Today I just got this new product in from Amazon and it is the G all-in-one telescoping notebook binder. I'm so excited to use it. Nothing too crazy, but this is a 3-ring binder, and as you can see it has a customizable front cover, so you can print out whatever page you want, whether it be your name, what the binder is for, your favorite sports team, a picture, anything you want you can put in the front cover, and that will be the cover to the whole binder. And then you can open this up, and as you can see you have 2 folder options right in the front. First is this page over here, and then you also have a completely separate movable folder in the front as well. And then as we open it up, it already comes preloaded with paper, which is so nice. It saves you the extra step of having to go out and buy more paper. It already comes right in there for you, and it has both the regular lined paper as well as graph paper. So you have both options, and then we can keep flipping, and then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different subject dividers that are the plastic covers to break up whatever you want to put in the binder. And then the other great thing about this is, as you can see, this telescoping binding on the edges for the spine. So versus a lot of other binders I have the huge, thick, hard spine, and they just take up so much space. So this is, as you can see, really thin. It lays almost completely flat on a surface. Putting it into a bag, you can put it in a purse, a backpack, and it takes up a whole lot less of space. So this is a definite 10 out of 10 for me. This is great for, office, school use, work, anything like that. But it's just really nice. It's so thin, takes up not a lot of space, and it's really affordable. And don't forget, comes with the paper already in there.